Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Okay, so now, in case you want to promote your product on TikTok, you can go to ChatGPT. Now, let's suppose that you want to create 20 TikTok shorts for this specific bed. Now, first of all, what you need to do, and to be honest with you, you're going to have to order this product from AliExpress because you cannot rely on these images over here. You have to have the product in your own house, okay? Get the product, get a good camera, and then ask ChatGPT these questions. You can ask it, I want to promote the product on TikTok, and I want to create 20 TikTok shorts. Please give me the creative for every TikTok short video. Boom. Right now, what it's going to do is going to go ahead and it's going to start writing potential creative ideas for TikTok short promotion for a cozy cat cave bed. Okay. The first creative is a cat snuggled up in the cozy cat cave bed with her caption, "Winter is coming. Make sure your cat is warm and comfortable." The next one, right? So right now it is writing down 20. Now you might be asking me, well, how can I actually edit this stuff? Well, all you have to do, get a good camera, get a good cat, all right? Or a couple of cats from your friend or from your friends, or just go get a cat, whatever you can get it. And use that cat as your model, all right? So for the first video, it's not difficult. You're gonna have to take the cat and put it inside the bed, all right? Put it inside the bed, take a video, let it be a 20-second video, and then you can come to a platform such as Canva, all right? You can come to a platform such as Canva and search for TikTok, right? Now, TikTok profile picture, TikTok video, TikTok story. Now here, let's choose TikTok story. And also you have some other choices, interestingly enough, here on Canva. You can see e-commerce, TikTok, in-feed ad. All right, so sustainable fashion, TikTok, TikTok background, TikTok in-feed ad. So I'm gonna choose TikTok in-feed ad because this is more suited or suitable for TikTok ads. And once you have that video, you can come here to Canva and basically upload the video from your computer, right? You need to upload the video from your computer, drag and drop it here, and basically after that, you can take elements, which are basically text elements or something, and you can put it on top of the video, right, like this, with a specific call to action, okay? So I'm going to show you here by taking a dummy video of a dog, let's say dog sleeping, just to show you how this works. Dog sleeping videos. Okay, so we have dogs sleeping videos. Okay, this one here, this one. So we have a bunch of videos out there. You can take either one of these videos, or in your case, you should have a creative created by your own camera. But I'm just showing you how you can use Canva to do this. Now, click on the video, and once you've clicked on it, it was uploaded, and you can make it a little bit bigger to fit this. All right, so like this, and you can add a heading to it. You can say, "Make your dog happy." You can change the font. You can add a call to action. You can add a button. You can add whatever you want to add over here. So you can come here, add a button that says add to cart. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. And basically you have ChatGPT. It will help you pretty much do all the rest of the stuff. It will give you all of the it will give you the plan to follow, basically. So here it gave us 20 videos. The first video, a cat snuggled in a cozy cat cave bed, right? So you're gonna have to film this scenario. You're gonna have to film this second scenario, third scenario, and right now you have 20 videos. Now you can come back to here to Canva, upload each video, do your editing that you're gonna do on the video, download that video, and share it as a story on TikTok. Now, the advantage of Canva Pro is that you can share it directly to TikTok without having to download it on your computer. All I have to do is to click share right here, and share on social. And here you have TikTok. You can click share on TikTok. And basically, now I have to use my mobile app and scan the QR code. And basically, I can share my TikTok shorts directly on TikTok. So this is very interesting. And also, you can do this to create Pinterest creatives. So let's say that you want to create a Pinterest short. All right. So you can come here, Pinterest ad or Pinterest pin, whatever. So here I'm going to click Pinterest pin. And you can do the same. You can come back to ChatGPT and you can ask it, I want you to write 20 pins for my ad on Pinterest, ads on Pinterest. And you can create some Pinterest pins. All right, so here it says an error has occurred. So I'm going to have to go and basically just refresh the page. But let me take you to Pinterest. All right, and if we go to Pinterest, you're going to find that a lot of pages are doing the exact same thing. Now, if you search for cat bed on Pinterest, you're going to find a lot of people out there have videos like this. And these videos are mostly made with Canva. If you don't believe me, now this video right here, cat leaf mat. Now, it's very easy to make this on Canva, by the way. This is a Pinterest pin. I can come here to elements. And in case you don't have the video on your computer, and if you want to test this stuff, but I highly recommend you to go and film the video and then upload the video by clicking upload here and upload files from your computer. But in case you don't have the video, you can search for cat cozy, right? And search for videos here, and you're going to have a bunch of cat videos right here. Let's try to find a longer cat video. Hopefully we can find one. Let's try to find a cat sleeping or something. All right, so maybe this one will do. You can click on this and you can make it a little bit bigger, right? Or just put it like this. Now, I would have hoped if the video was longer, so in size, you can take it, put it like this. And basically you can add to it. You can add a text. And even in the text, you have a lot of effects. So you can add a shining text. You can choose the kind of text type that you want to add. Pretty much like this guy here. He's kind of color like this. Okay, so this is how you do this. And basically this is pretty much just the beginning. You can do a lot more than this. You can have ChatGPT create Facebook script for your Facebook ad if you're running an ad on Facebook. Whatever you're running an ad on, whatever you feel like is going to generate you the most conversions, you can always have ChatGPT help you. Now, the amazing thing with ChatGPT is that you can not just use it for Pinterest, for Facebook. You can use it for anything. You can even use it for YouTube Shorts. So if you want my opinion, if you're going to publish Pinterest pins and if you're going to publish TikTok Shorts, it works the same way. It just works the same way because a TikTok short can both be published on TikTok and it can be published on Pinterest, and it can also be published on Shorts, on YouTube Shorts. So you can make the most of this. You can really, really make the most of this. And in my opinion, you have to be an early adopter. Trust me on that, because if you're going to wait until, this ChatGPT becomes, for, I would say, paid, or wait until maybe you cannot use it, or you're not okay with it, well, I actually really recommend you to dig in right now and really, really make the most of this tool while you can.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.